The former Attorney General, Sua Helena Warwick Lamb, and King's Counsel Christopher Finlayson will act on behalf of the Attorney General's office in the current application by former Deputy Prime Minister Tolupe Pombulinuku Onesemo against the Electoral Court's decision. The decision voided Tolupe's parliamentary seat and as a Member of Parliament for Falealili No. 1, but that decision has been stayed after Chief Justice Satiusi Mutiva Berese granted Tolupe's application to stay of the decision until the legal matters before the court are sorted. Tolupe remains as a Member of Parliament, but has since stepped down as a Deputy Prime Minister and from his ministerial responsibilities. Chief Justice Berese also preferred the matter to be carried by KC Justice Rees Harrison. The matter was mentioned to set a timetable for the hearing, and Justice Harrison ruled that the current Attorney General, Maunga Precious Chang, be re-accused as she has a conflict of interest in the Tolupe matter. The court noted that Maunga is a former lawyer partner of Nero Lui who represented Tolupe in the Supreme Court hearing and is also representing him in the current application against the Electoral Court's decision. As with all election petitions, a decision cannot be appealed. However, Tolupe has opted for a constitutional rights hearing with the hope to take it further to the Court of Appeal. The court has set a time schedule for all parties to provide documents and all necessary information within a certain period prior to the hearing on the 20th of April 2026. Tolupe's counsel to file all submissions by 13th of April and for the respondents to file their submissions by 17th of April 2026. An affidavit submitted by Tolupe has already been filed, and his counsel must provide an argument to support admissibility of the affidavit as evidence. Further direction will be provided by the court should the matter proceed to a higher court. The parties to the matter include Tolupe as the applicant, Tuiloma Lanisilotala Meko as the first respondent, and Parliament Speaker Awapa'au Mulipola as the second respondent. If you are interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Ginny Benehuro of Talamore Media.